गुड मॉर्निंग फिफ्थ क्लास। टेक आउट योर इंग्लिश बुक। अब 8 चैप्टर का एक्सरसाइज फिल करेंगे। रीअरेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेज एंड पुट देम इन करेक्ट ऑर्डर अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टोरी। अब ये लाइन्स आपको ऊपर नीचे दी गई हैं, इसको रीअरेंज करना है स्टोरी के अकॉर्डिंग। ठीक है, सबसे पहले 4th लाइन आएगी आपकी। वेन एवर समबडी रब्ड द मैजिक लैम्प द जिन वुड कम आउट एंड से व्हाट इज़ योर विश। फिर उसके बाद 1st लाइन आएगी, फिर 3rd लाइन आएगी, उसके बाद फिर 2nd लाइन आएगी, फिर 6th लाइन आएगी और फिर उसके बाद लास्ट में 5th लाइन आएगी। Answer the following questions. What happens when someone rubs a magic lamp? When someone rubs a magic lamp, the jinn comes out of it and says, "What is your wish?" What does the jinn do? The jinn grants wishes of the pupil. Why do you think Pankaj asked the jinn to let him enter the lamp? Pankaj asked the jinn to let him enter the lamp because he wanted to see what the jinn's house looked like. उसके बाद आता है 4th question. Why did the jinn feel ashamed? When the jinn saw the Pankaj was surprised to see his house to be very untidy, he felt ashamed. What advice did Pankaj's mother give? Pankaj's mother had advised that it was important to keep all the things in order. Why did people begin to respect the jinn again? With Pankaj's help, the jinn had cleaned his place and all the gifts were arranged properly. Now he could easily give people their desired gifts. Therefore, people started respected the jinn again. तो इसके बाद आपका आता है fill in the blanks. The teacher used a duster to rub the blackboard. तो इसमें क्या fill करेंगे आप? rub. Always speak the truth is good advice. क्या fill करेंगे बेटा? advice. Sunil keeps the things in proper place. His room never looks untidy. क्या fill करेंगे बेटा? untidy. Mahesh does not chew गुटखा. He has gleaming white teeth. क्या fill करेंगे? gleaming. Neeraj apologized for his rude behavior. अब इसके बाद read the following sentences from the lesson. Pankaj found the lamp. He heard the sad cries of the jinn. These sentences are the example of simple past tense. It is used to talk about an action that took place in the past. Notice the past forms of verb find and here have been used in this sentence. Now fill in the blanks using past form of the verb given in the brackets. नितेश डैश टू जयपुर yesterday. तो इसके गो की सेकेंड फॉर्म क्या होगी बेटा? went. राजू wrote a letter to his father. तो राइट की सेकेंड फॉर्म wrote. कविता completed his homework before going to bed. completed सेकेंड फॉर्म. मंजीत made a beautiful paper boat. तो make की सेकेंड फॉर्म made. The teacher asked Poonam why she was absent the previous day. तो ask का asked सेकेंड फॉर्म होगी. इसके बाद बेटा आपका ये 8th चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया. अब आप इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लिखेंगे और लर्न करेंगे. पूरा चैप्टर रीडिंग करेंगे. ओके.